Hi, my name is Thomas Fanner. Today we're going to be building a homemade soccer ball. What you're going to need are paper bags times 4 and either duct tape or packing tape. You start off, take your first bag, you're going to rip it in half. This concept I'm going over is really important. As you make your rip, you're going to find that one bag has this pocket in it, okay? I'm going to stick the ball into that pocket that I wad up with the other half. Alright, if you played with Play-Doh as a kid, same thing. You're trying to pack it in tight. Stick that ball right in the corner and use that momentum to create the next part. If you have a rounded edge, the tape can help clean that up. I'm going to use a little bit of duct tape here. There are a few parts that I want to get in tighter. You don't have to use duct tape and packing tape, but sometimes it's nice to have both. The tape gives it some tightness. Okay? I'm going to repeat the process again with the next bag. You get to this next layer and you've got some more rounded areas. You can use your force to help push those down and flatten them out. Be sure to drink your water. As you progress, you want to make sure that your ball is staying tight. That is the biggest thing. Our kids in the first trimester that we did this, their ball didn't turn out well, was because they allowed things to get loose. So yeah, I put the tape on, I can hold it down and pull to get it tight. And this does not have to be a perfect sphere. Okay? That's pretty good for where we're at. If you're using one of these tape guns, be careful. These teeth can be sharp and they can cut you. Now the final one is going to be tighter with the tape. Almost lost my water. Now if you're going to use this outside, good to put a good full layer of tape on it to protect it from getting wet or whatever, especially if you have that duct tape.